Dr. Blumenthal here in the Bethesda office, Natural Transplants, and we have John back with us. John, welcome back, man.
Thank you.
Good to see you. You look like a different person, I swear. We're going to put the befores up so people can see the difference because it's a tremendous transformation. But overall, tell us about your year. How'd it go?
It went really well. So this is not my first time. I've actually had two transplants at
Right.
this point.
We did your set. Yeah, you've done it twice with us. Yep.
Yeah, and honestly, it's definitely a world of difference compared to where I was initially because I had a lot of hair loss.
Yeah.
So it's made me look a lot younger. A lot of people have just noticed it's just like I look like somebody maybe in my late 30s initially. Now people are just like, you look like you're in your 20s again, which is really nice.
I'd say it may have looked even older than that before, but you took 10 years off you. It looks amazing. And with your hair type, you have normal white guy hair. It's very fine, very thin, very straight. And the first procedure was good, but I think it was kind of, a good base coat. I think we always sort of discussed you probably were going to need that second coat to really give it more impactful, density, and man, did it work.
Yeah.
You said family and friends had noticed and they remarked about it as well too.
Yeah, pretty much. That they're definitely like they look at like before and after, and they're just like, you're completely different now.
Yeah.
It's like
Yep.
I'm one of those people where if I do my hair in a certain style and change, I look like a different person. They definitely notice a
Yep.
difference.
And before, all you could really do was just comb it forward to cover it
Yep.
because your entire frontal third, almost front half, was completely, almost completely bare. But now you can style it any way you want to, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Total freedom, man. Well,
Yeah.
do me a favor, just sort of go back just a little bit, just so we can see
Okay.
your whole head. Yeah, there you go. And then if you wouldn't mind just pulling your hair back just a little bit, so you can kind of
Sure.
show off the hair that you got. Awesome. Wow.
Yeah.
And then look down just a touch. And we're gonna put the before pictures up there as well too. Awesome. Then look at me, and then pick left or right, one of the two, and look to the
Okay.
left, look to the right. Yep. And then other side. Wow, man, looks incredible. I love it. I love
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you for doing this. Hopefully, and you said you didn't have any problems with a scar on the back. It's not been an issue for you.
No, it's just like other than like because I had to go through it twice. It's just that the first couple weeks it's gonna hurt, but after you get the stitches out, it's not really too much of an issue.
Feels much better. Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for doing this. I appreciate this, John. Hopefully this, inspires someone else out there. Any words of advice, words of wisdom for somebody who's sort of looking around, considering maybe doing it, maybe not?
Yeah, so I would say if anybody wants to do this, just be prepared that the first couple weeks they're going to be a bit rough. But hey, if you make it through it's definitely worth it.
It's worth it. It's worth it. And I just had mine about a week ago. That's why my hair's a little crazy right now. So I'm going through the hard part right now. But like I said, it's worth it when you're on the other side. Absolutely.
Yeah.
John, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Again, you look incredible. Congratulations. Welcome to the family, man.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Take care, man. Bye.